This is a very important case that is being taken by Pa Daly. This is a challenge to a government who we believe have played fast and loose with the Constitution in a bid to secure a grubby deal with Michael Lowry and to retain office. Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael, we believe, are acting in defiance of the Constitution. There are 4 so-called super junior ministers who attend at Cabinet. The Constitution, in our view, is very clear. The Cabinet amounts to 15 members, and we believe that the government is breaking the rules. They've broken the rules because at all costs Micheál Martin and Simon Harris wish to remain in government, so they cut this deal, as you know, with Michael Lowry. And we are here now to challenge that action and to seek clarity from the courts.